Hey guys, so today we're back and instead of hazing on my home decor, I am hazing on all of my clothes. Again, they're so boring and I just need some vibrancy in my life. I mean, look outside, it's so grey. Ugh, God, and I mean, ugh. So I have a super fun and again easy project to do. I've actually seen on Pinterest and popping up on my Instagram these super cute like heart covered jeans. So I'm gonna make some. I have these jeans, like super old jeans, just lying around, again super boring. So let's DIY them and fix them up, do a little rework, a little upcycling, and turn these into a super fun item that I will wear probably every day for at least a week. So let's see how this goes. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jeans and kind of measure out the size that I want my heart to be. There it is, clear rulers, can never see them. So I've got my reference picture up here so I can kind of see the size that I would be looking for. I would say about 8.5 inches tall. That kind of seems to fit. So I'm gonna try that size, see how that goes. So here what I've got is my heat press vinyl. I'm gonna do it in red, but you know there are lots of other colors, like the pink is super cute too. I do really like the pink, but I just don't think that will really work on the color of my jeans. I need like a lighter color or a black for the pink. So I'm gonna go red. So what I'm doing here is I am just finding a heart shape that I like in the ready images that comes with the Cricut subscription. So I'm going to sort this into operation type and then go to cut only so I can see the ones that are available to me, rather than drawing in pen, because there are different couple of options of stuff that you can actually do with these images here. I want to cut out this image. So these are all the hearts that I can cut out. So let me find a shape that I like. I like maybe just the first one. That's usually what happens, is that the first couple of ones are the best. So then I said 8.5 height. So let's put that in. So that's the size. So now I've got my Cricut Maker already. I can measure out the size that I need of my vinyl. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out this one and see if I like the size, because if I commit to printing all of them at once, then that could be a huge waste of my vinyl if I don't end up actually liking the size, you know? So let's see. So instead of doing this on a Cricut, if you don't have one, this one is super easy. You can just print a stencil off your computer, and then you can use your stencil to cut out your hearts, or you can just hand cut your hearts if you want to. And what you actually want to do with your printable vinyl is put your vinyl upside down, so with your color facing towards the table, and cut out on the flip side. Now we can peel your vinyl from the paper, and then we can just weld or pick off the vinyl that we don't want. It should come off really nice and easily. This is actually super satisfying. And yes, that looks perfect. I love the size. That looks really, really good. So I'm gonna print out the rest of these hearts in this size. So there we go. There is all of my cutouts so far. Got all my hearts, and now they are ready to be stuck onto my jeans. So I've got my Cricut machine, my Cricut heat press machine, and that's just heating up now. I have put for 170 degrees for 30 seconds. Now my heat press is all warmed up. I'm gonna go over section by section. So, and hold it firmly. Click timer, and it will start my countdown. And then me personally, I do just like to go over the vinyls once they've been heat pressed and flatten them in just a little bit more to kind of help with that bonding to the fabric. Okay then, let's do the big reveal. That has come out super nicely. So I'm just gonna go down all of these, take them off, and show you what they look like when they are all styled. So see you in a few. Okay, so these actually turned out way better than I expected. I think they're super, super cute. I'm gonna be wearing them all the time, and I love the way that they style, especially with this outfit. These jeans just really, really make it a fun, cute, and fantastic outfit altogether. I'm completely in love with them. I'm a happy girl, so 10 out of 10 for me.